Hello students, good morning to all of you. Students, uh, in the last class we will discuss on the topic electromagnetic induction, and we learned that the Faraday's experiment about production of induced EMF or production of electromotive force. ठीक है. In today's class we just understood कि जो इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ होता है व्हाट इज इट्स नेचर. ठीक है. तो अबाउट द नेचर ऑफ द इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ वी हैव अ लॉ, लेंजेस रूल. ठीक है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस Lenz, okay, Lenz observed the nature of the induced EMF, and he observed that the according to this rule, this law, the direction of induced EMF is such that it opposes the change in magnetic flux linked with the coil. Okay, this is the nature of the induced EMF when the flux will change. ठीक है. The induced EMF always tries to oppose the change in magnetic flux or the cause which induced it. Clear? Now, for an example, to understand how it try to oppose the change in flux. ठीक है. Suppose we have a coil, this. ठीक है. And there is a magnet with north and south. Northward towards the coil. ठीक है. When the magnet is moves towards coil, ठीक है, therefore the magnetic field lines linked with it would be changed. ठीक है. वो जो चेंज होगा तो ये एक जो कॉइल होगी एक ऐसा नेचर डेवलप करेगी अपने अंदर जिससे कि वो इसके मोशन को रजिस्ट कर दे. सो यू नो, इफ द नॉर्थ पोल इज कमिंग टुवर्ड्स द कॉइल, देयरफॉर दिस कॉइल इज प्रोड्यूस अ नॉर्थ पोल. ठीक है. which try to oppose the motion of this coil, hence the current will induce in the coil is in the anti-clockwise direction. Clear? Then when a magnet is moved towards the coil produces a north pole or north polarity such that the magnetic field in the coil try to oppose this motion. And secondly, if the magnet is moving away from the coil, then the magnetic field or induced EMF generate a nature such that the motion of magnet away from the coil is just stops. Then it develops a south polarity in it such that a clockwise current is moving in the coil. Hence, this is how the induced EMF try to oppose the change in magnetic flux. ठीक है. that you calculate yesterday is d phi upon d. Okay, and this nature is explained by range by a law, that law is known as Lagrange. ठीक है, note down this. Next, the force experienced by the magnet due to this induced current in the coil due to change in flux is determined by using the Fleming right hand rule. Now understood what is it? Okay. Right, Fleming right hand rule. According to this rule, okay, according to this rule, if we stretch our right hand, index finger, right hand index finger, middle finger and thumb mutually perpendicular to each other, then if index finger indicates the magnetic field, thumb indicates direction of force, motion, ठीक है, direction of motion. Then middle finger indicates direction of induced current. Middle finger is in the direction of current. इस तरह से इसको बना लीजिए. इंडेक्स फिंगर is magnetic field, thumb in the direction of motion of charge, and middle finger in direction of induced current. Okay, this is Fleming right handed rule. Okay, next, as we learned that the change in magnetic flux induced EMF or induced current. Clear? So we have various methods to produce or generate induced EMF. ठीक है? So various method to generate EMF. Okay, so first we have due to change in magnetic field. Due to change in magnetic field. Okay, this you done in your previous classes. As you know, magnetic field is mu naught and I. It is clear, where I is the current, and you learn it in the second experiment of Faraday. Whenever the current is increased, the magnetic field also increase, and the field lines linked with the first coil is also increased. Hence, an EMF is induced in the first coil. ठीक है, तो ये सिचुएशन होती है. सेकंड, बाय चेंजिंग द एरिया ऑफ द लूप, by changing area. And third is by changing the orientation of magnetic field. By changing orientation, or we say angle between loop area and magnetic field. These we have three methods. Okay. Now in today's class we learn how the magnetic field induced by changing area. Clear? It is very important. Yes. Motional electromotive force. Motional electromotive force. Electromotive force. Or we say motional EMF. Okay, and this is by changing area. Okay, by using changing area. देखिए, suppose we have inward magnetic field in the plane of paper, which is given by this law. Okay, this is inward magnetic field. Inward magnetic field. Clear? Let rectangular loop PQR, rectangular loop PQRS, ठीक है, is kept in the magnetic field normal to the plane of paper. Clear? Now this PQ or piston of the rod PS can easily move in this on the side of this loop PQ and RS, ठीक है, without any friction. And an ideal condition कि इसमें कोई friction नहीं हो रहा है, so due to the friction there is no loss of energy. Clear? And because this PS rod is able to move freely in this, so it would be come to this point as P dash S dash, or it would be come to this point P double dash S double dash. ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन लिख सकती है. And you find easily the area in these two cases will change. Now understood the second case. ये हमारे पास इनवर्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है. and the rod PQ is kept in PS. ठीक है, this is S and this point is P. Clear? And because the magnetic field is inward and we have the right hand rule, suppose the current is moving, or we say from P to Q. ठीक है, an electron is moving from P to Q, or we say the PS, this rod is moving in left direction. This is the motion of the rod. ठीक है, now according to the right hand rule, what you find, ये आपके पास मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इन्वर्ट हो गया इंडेक्स, एंड यू हैव द मोशन of this rod is in this direction. So this middle finger gives the direction of induced current. So current is moving downward direction. Clear? So this is the direction of induced current in the coil. Clear? If the current is moving in downward direction, there should be a convention. The charge is moving from S to P. It is clear or not? This electron is moving from S to P. ये एक आइडियोलॉजी आपको समझ में आती है. Now by using this, consider a rectangular loop PQRS. Right? Consider a rectangular loop PQRS having a rod PS which move on the side of rectangle without any friction, which move on the side of rectangle PQ and RS without any friction. Let the motion of this rod towards QR, let the motion of this rod towards QR with velocity v and any arbitrary charge plus q, ठीक है, is moved in the magnetic field. Therefore, the force experienced by rod PS in the magnetic field, the force experienced by rod PS of length L in magnetic field B is given by Lorentz force. That is, F is equal to QVB. It is clear or not? Therefore, this is your equation first. Then, small work done to moving the charge, work done to moving charge Q from S to P, is given by W is equal to force into displacement SP. It is clear? And the length of SP is L. Clear? Therefore, we have the force, how much? This Q, V, B and this L. This is your equation second. Now, We know that the amount of work done moving between 2 points is equal to the potential difference. ठीक है? So here potential difference is equal to the EMF induced. Therefore, induced EMF small e is equal to work done per unit charge. Work done upon charge. Here, therefore, induced EMF is equal to this Q V B L upon Q. This Q cancel this, and we get the induced EMF due to the change in area is E is equal to BLV. This is the induced EMF due to the motion of charge. Clear? Now, this is your equation A. The charge is moving from S to P. Clear? Therefore, the motion of the rod towards the, or we say inside, by using this rule, Fleming left hand rule. Index finger in the direction of magnetic field. Motion used by the thumb. Motion of the rod PS towards QR. ठीक है? And the induced current is given by downward direction. So current induced is moving like this. तो ये करंट इस तरह से मोशन करेगा. This is motion of current. It is clear? And how the motion of current is in the loop? So answer is the clockwise direction. ठीक है? तो इसको लिख लीजिए. The direction of current in the loop is clockwise direction when the motion of charge in anti-clockwise direction. When the motion of charge is anti-clockwise direction. ठीक है? Okay. Next line. If the resistance of loop PQRS, if the resistance of loop PQRS is capital R, resistance of the loop PQRS is capital R, therefore induced current I is equal to electromotive force upon R, and we have the value of E is, therefore induced current is equal to BLV upon R. This is the current moving in the loop due to change in area. Okay. The next point is energy associated with the loop. Clear? So इसको देखिए. Now, energy consideration for motional EMF. Energy due to motional EMF. Okay. We know that when a charge, or we know that when a rod kept in a magnetic field moving with velocity v in a magnetic field B is given by E is equal to BLV. Okay, this is first equation, and the induced current associated with the EMF is BLV upon R. It is clear? Done? Now, if the charge rod is moving in the magnetic field, it experiences a force F is equal to PLV. Okay? 1 minute. IBL. Okay? IBL sin theta, and where theta is the angle between the current element and this, so we use here theta is equal to 90. We get this force is equal to BIL only, and we have the value of I here, which we get F is equal to BLV upon, this is R capital R. So this is R into this L. Therefore this force will become B square L square V upon R. This is your equation set. Okay, now the power applied to push the rod in the magnetic field with a velocity v is F into V, and we have the value of force is B square L square V upon R, and we have the value of V is this. Therefore, the power associated with pushing the rod in the magnetic field is given by B square L square V square upon R. This is power associated with the rod moving in the magnetic field, and we know that the power is also given by I square R. Clear? Therefore, by putting this value, what we get? B square L square V square upon R square into R. This R cancel this. Therefore, P is equal to B square L square V square upon R. This is exactly same as the power associated with the motional EMF. Clear? Therefore, the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy, and hence the heat develops with the circuit. तो हम कह सकते हैं heat induced in, or we say heat generated per second period is equal to B square L square V square upon R. This is the energy consideration with the motional EMF.